Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to be teaching you about subject and predicates today. So every complete sentence needs a subject and a predicate. But what is a subject and a predicate? So a subject is the part of the sentence that tells who or what the sentence is about. It is the noun of the sentence. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. So that's like the verb of the sentence. So every sentence needs both of them put together with capitalization at the beginning and punctuation at the end. So I have some examples for you. The first sentence says, Mr. Parks is our principal. So Mr. Parks is the subject. He's the who. Is the predicate, is the verb. The rest of the predicate is in red, is our principal. So we put them together to make a complete sentence. Mr. Parks is our principal. The second sentence says, Max and Ben are in third grade. The subject is Max and Ben. The predicate is are. The complete predicate is are in third grade. So you put them together to make a complete sentence. Max and Ben are in third grade. The next sentence says the waitress dropped the tray of food. Waitress is the subject and dropped is the predicate. Then the whole sentence reads, the waitress dropped the tray of food. In the next sentence, it says, the dogs in our neighborhood's yard barked all night. So the complete subject is the dogs in our neighbor's yard. The dogs is the subject, and then the complete predicate is barked all night, with barked being the predicate. The next one says, Allie and I studied for our science test. Allie and I is the complete subject, with Allie and I being the two that they're talking about in the sentence. Studied for our science test is the complete predicate, while studied is the predicate. Next one says, he called his parents after the movie. He is the subject, and called is the predicate. The complete predicate is called his parents after the movie. And the last sentence says, all of the kids in the gym laughed. Kids is the subject, and laughed is the predicate. The complete subject is all of the kids in the gym, and then the complete predicate is laughed. So you need both of those parts to go together to make a complete sentence. So now let's do some sorting. We're going to read the phrase and decide if it is a complete subject or predicate and drag it under the correct column. So the first one is the brown bear. Is that a complete subject or a complete predicate? It is a complete subject. It is talking about the who of the sentence. So let's find the complete predicate that would match it. Slept in a cave. The brown bear slept in a cave. Now we have a complete sentence. So now let's look for another subject. We'll do this one, the hungry boy. So the hungry boy, so let's look for now a complete predicate to complete the sentence. The hungry boy ate a ham sandwich. That makes sense. So I'm going to drag that over here to make a complete sentence. The hungry boy ate a ham sandwich. Let's find another subject. We have Katie's sister. Okay, so that's a complete subject. Now we're looking for a complete predicate. Wore a beautiful necklace. She wore it. That's the predicate. Katie's sister wore a beautiful necklace. We have two more left. Which one is the subject and which one is the predicate? Lane's garden is the subject. And has pretty flowers is the complete predicate. So now the sentence reads, Lane's garden has pretty flowers. So that's how you make a complete sentence using a complete subject and predicate. Hopefully this will help you when you go practice your own activities today.